Guys, this is the view of Upper Kalangyawon. As you can see, the clouds meets the horizons of its beauty and culture. Cultivated by trees and natures and surrounded by green grass of hope. We are walking in the Isle of Lovingly Yours. Oh, diba? What a beautiful spots, here and sceneries and heritage that we can be proud of. Okay. Amega, can you answer my interview period for this moment?
Okay.
As you can see, what you can see about my place here.
On my first time here,
Yes.
it's very accommodating because they always care for me.
Yes.
They share me a lot of
Oh,
what they have.
yes.
And today, I'm very excited because we're going to Mount Binabag.
Yeah.
And
Say hi to my people's channel.
hi to Pable's channel. We're going to Mount Binabag, and that Mount Binabag is so famous here
Yeah.
because it is the high top mountain here in
In
Karkar City, and I'm so excited.
Thank you so much, Amega. Amega, can you interview for a moment for you? Just answer my questions and I will do the rest. Hello, ikaw sa Amega. I just question you a little bit.
I am busy right now.
What can you say about my place? This is not your second time or... Yeah, hi, Kuya. Thank you for riding us.
It's my first time to came here.
This is not your first time. Your first time you've been here is doing naughty things.
Oh, going to Mount Binabag. It's my first time.
Jet, I want to interview you.
Come here, Jit.
Ano ba taagi diri?
Adri lagi dito. Adri okay.
This is my alma mater when I was in elementary, the Kalangyawon Elementary School. This is very memorable for us when I was in elementary. This tree, ano may mga on dinhi ani may magsaka dinhi nga kahoy pero because of the pig ilawom sa silong gihikot nakuan siya na hinahinan niya ang roots kay wala siya kakapit sa patalim. Natumba siya. Kani siya nga trees is very memorable for us. AG, what can you say about our place? This is not your second time or even third time. What can you say about?
What can you say?
What can you say at the place of Kalangyawon?
Kalangyawon is very beautiful. The green grass, of home. That's why Vegara is here.
Please say hi to people's channel.
Oh, ay pa channel diha.
Wala, why support ang pistin?
How about mga kayaks, Jet? Can you explain?
Mga kids.
Ang mga laki? Sa tinuod lang ang mga laki diri ka ng buutan tagid sila.
Yeah.
Tagid sila video ra ba?
Okay naman siya sa channel. So.
Oo, kanang kuan lang, nadispaya ra jud ko.
Why?
Kanang
O, ikaw na po
sa una nga akong pag-ari, kanang malipayon adyo ko nila kay ila ko gabi-abi. Pero niabot ang panahon nga naghilak ko kay sa mga kasakit.
I-distribute.
Tungod sa mga kasakit nga ilang gihatag kanako.
And I thank you.
And I thank you.
Guys, we are thank you to our sponsor Wilkins Pure. Inana mi sa una magkapit-kapit. Inana po ang most chok. Nice show. Sige ha. Picture. 1, 2, 3, go smile. Perfect.
Infil sa June, infil.
They are my apos.